we're doing boxes and we got Star Wars boxes today.
We got a Star Wars blaster box,
Oh
alright.
yeah, they're another. I got my own scissors.
Alright, you're going to have a go, are you?
Yep.
Careful, you don't hurt yourself. I'll give you a little bit of a hand. There we go. Watch your fingers. There you go, get your scissors under there.
Okay, let me get them out.
Just put a...
You can do your own.
Yeah?
Come on, get your own. Get
No,
yours.
I'm just helping you.
Okay, but you can get your own.
Yeah?
You can.
Alright.
You can help your own. Wait, hang on. I
Right,
want
now
to
peel it off then.
Hang on. I just want my sister to. Oh, hang on.
Hang on, stop. Stop for a sec. Stop. Oh, you got it? That's the way. Peel it off. There you go. Show the camera what you got.
Hang on. Not yet. No.
There you go. Got your box.
I got it opened.
Good
and
job. Open it up here. Like that.
And look, look up here.
Ooh. Is that a stormtrooper?
Yeah, I think.
Alright, let's open it here
That's
for
the
you.
king of the baddies.
Let's open it up for you.
And get the cards out.
Get that out. There's all your packs. Get them all. Show them what you got. Whoa, look at all those packs. Alright, nothing. Oh, one left in there.
And I will show
There we
you
go.
what it looks like.
Alright, show them the pack. There
In
we
the
go.
back.
And we'll clip a few off for you so you can open them.
I want to do my own.
No, I'll do it because it'll be
Hang on,
quicker.
how about... Okay.
You show them the cards and I'll clip them for you, right?
No, I want to clip them too.
Ooh, oh, it's that set. Ah. Show us the cards. Show them the cards then. What you got?
This one.
Any cards. Show them what you got. Wow, here's Princess Leia. So this is the base card, Princess Leia. And what do you got there? Tractor beam. Oh, that's cool. All right.
Okay, the good ones go here.
All right, you want to put the good ones here. All right, I'll clip them for you.
No, I want to do my own. I want to do it.